In this video, we will share a scenario suitable for the reverse parking technique. For example, in the current situation with an angled parking spot, if we enter in reverse then we park in reverse right. Although other cars face outward, we can also park with the front facing inward. However, when leaving we don't want to keep revering far back because it doesn't matter when entering. At this time, if we want to reverse the tail to exit, it's very difficult. Let's take a look. First, because the car body is angled and the cars on both sides of the empty spot are very close, you'll find that you simply can't reverse out, right? Additionally, the aisle is narrow, making it hard to reverse the tail to the side to exit. At this point, we use the reverse parking technique. For example, we can operate like this: first turn left, then turn right and reverse. But don't reverse all the way, keep some space for backing up. Then turn the wheel fully to the left and reverse, then just repeat this operation. Then drive straight forward to the front. Next, we just repeatedly operate without thinking. First turn right and reverse, then turn left and reverse. When the front is close to the other car, drive straight forward, then turn right, then left, then drive straight, then turn right. Good, then turn left and then drive straight. After each operation, pay attention to whether the tail of our car moves more to the right. After several repetitions, right? When we continue to drive to the front and turn right one more time, the tail is pushed all the way, leaving some space for the front. At this point we turn left and drive forward, then right and reverse, then left and drive forward, thus completing the goal of revering out of the parking spot.